Investing in a blazer offers unparalleled versatility. A single blazer can be matched with various fabrics like denim, sweaters, t-shirts, and shirts, creating multiple outfits for different seasons and occasions. Choose the blazer that fits you perfectly, and get ready to make a bold fashion statement with your newfound sense of style. Blue velvet blazer. Velvet blazers, especially in blue, are attention-grabbing and exude comfort and style. Perfect for semi-formal events, they require careful pairing with shirts and pants to create a cohesive and striking look. Single-breasted blazer for man. Single-breasted blazers are a classic choice, known for their slimming effect and versatility. They can be worn unbuttoned without a fashion faux pas, making them a popular choice for men who want to stand out. Tweed formal blazer. Tweed blazers, traditionally casual, can make bold fashion statements at formal events. They offer a unique way to dress down while maintaining an elegant appearance. Corduroy blazer for men. Corduroy blazers have recently gained popularity, offering a distinctive look with a bohemian and academic vibe. They are versatile and suitable for both formal occasions and casual events. Linen blazer. Linen blazers are perfect for men seeking a blend of tailored elegance and relaxed comfort. Ideal for formal occasions, they require careful attention to avoid wrinkles. Black blazer for man. Black blazers are sophisticated and versatile, fitting seamlessly into professional settings without the intensity of a full black suit. They convey competence and decisiveness. Denim blazer for man. Denim blazers, once out of favor, are making a comeback. They offer a stylish look for relaxed settings but should be paired carefully to avoid the Texan tuxedo look.